Tips for night shift workers. Thanks. Welcome. Ano ka nga ba magbibuild or magme-maintain ng muscle if palagi kang night shift? I remember before when I was still practicing nursing, I'm a registered nurse by the way, and I also work in a medical factory. Okay, so ang duty ko lagi noon is 6 ng gabi hanggang 6 ng umaga. So ang ginagawa ko, nagwo-workout muna ako bago ako magtrabaho, and then pag uwi ko ng bahay, makaka-uwi ako around 8 AM na rin. So doon ako bumabawi ng tulog. Honestly, mahirap talaga mag-maintain ng muscle mass if palagi kang graveyard shift or night shift. Kasi disturb yung circadian rhythm mo or yung body clock natin. Mas dehydrated din tayo sa gabi and mas nagugutom din tayo sa gabi. The best thing you can do is stay on top of your nutrition game. I know mahirap to pero ginagawa ko talaga to. Nagbabaon talaga ako ng pagkain. I'm making sure na fully hydrated ako all throughout my duty and gumagamit din ako ng casein supplement. So itong casein, ito yung slow digesting type ng protein. Mas maganda tong i-take especially if lagi kang night shift. Other supplements that you can take is vitamin D and magnesium. Itong dalawang to, it can help you improve your sleep cycle, your mood, your muscle recovery, and contractions.